The Alpha Wolf travel trailer is aptly named and has a ton going on for it, including a wide variety of floor plans for you as a camping couple or for the whole family. What I'm going to do here today is just take you through the Forest River Alpha Wolf to show you the features, take a moment to speak to its solid construction, and then give you some solid examples of what vehicles can tow it. The first thing you'll notice on the interior of the Alpha Wolf is the bright white walls, contrasting with the dark wood in the clean sweep flooring, which of course means no carpet, and no heating vents where dirt and dog hair are going to go to hide. You can create quite a bit of ambiance with the dimmable lights, as well as the 5200 BTU electric fireplace found on most models. You can even go a step further in the ambiance department by lowering the fully adjustable slow rise blackout roller shades to just whatever level you want. For climate control, you'll be very happy with the 15,000 BTU AC with quick cool, as you'll be able to get your Alpha Wolf interior down to your desired temp level in no time. Plus, for a lot of the models, you have an option to add a second 15,000 BTU AC unit along with 50 amp power rather than the standard 30 amp. When it comes to furniture, most models will have either theater seats or a tri-fold sofa or a booth dinette. Honestly, they're all going to be super comfortable, and the booth dinette will have storage drawers, which is great for everything from blankets to bunt pans. For entertainment, you'll have USB and USB-C charging stations all over the place, and the option to have an LED TV with a swing arm in the living area. As for the kitchen, every Alpha Wolf offers great cold storage via a 10 cubic foot 12 volt fridge with a travel lock. The countertop is solid surface and has elegant and functional underlighting. Your sink will be a deep stainless steel farm style sink. It comes with a stainless steel sink, drying rack, wooden cutting board, and a feature I really enjoy, the glass rinser. The faucet is a spring spout faucet with a pull-out sprayer, which is great for meal prep as well as cleaning up. To create your camp meals, you'll get a microwave for when you're in a hurry and a pinch to get outside, and a large range with a steel-grated 3-burner cooktop, oven, and a glass cover. You can use that cover to prep meals, just not when the burners are lit. As an added bonus, any Alpha Wolf with a kitchen island will have trash can storage plus a hidden drawer. And if you know me, you know I hate having my trash out. I love being able to put it away. There's nothing hidden about the wonderful Alpha Wolf bathroom. First off, there's a porcelain toilet, which is much easier to clean than plastic. Second, regardless of whether the Nautilus-style shower is a radius one with the glass shower door or a traditional rectangle shower with its retractable splash-proof door, it's going to be spacious. Plus, every shower will have a handheld shower head and a skylight for more headroom and additional light during the day. You'll also get to enjoy this spacious shower even more thanks to the fact that every Alpha Wolf comes with an on-demand tankless water heater, and for you boondockers, there is a massive 81-gallon freshwater tank on most models. That is huge. There are a couple Alpha Wolf floor plans with an open floor plan, including the bedroom, but for the most part, you'll have a private primary bedroom with a solid door. Either way, you'll get a lot of wardrobe storage with full depth hanging space. The bed is going to be a residential size queen bed with a 60 by 80 inch mattress, and every bed has storage underneath that the Alpha Wolf designers call a shoe barn. It's a nice touch. Another nice touch in every Alpha Wolf are the motion light pathways on the floor so you can see your way to the bathroom in the middle of the night. There are some differences between models in the bedroom. For the Alpha Wolf models that have a bedroom slide, you'll get a secondary wardrobe space, washer dryer prep, a cozy bedroom fireplace, and a sitting bench area in the front window. Non-bed slide models will have nightstand drawers and overhead cabinet storage. On the exterior, you'll find easy-to-use steps that have an oversized landing and a quick release, plus a lend-a-hand handrail for additional support. The entry door is tempered glass with a friction hinge and shade prep. Up front is going to be a power tongue jack complete with a light for additional visibility. And on the sides, you'll find the what they call Superstore pass-through storage with slam latch doors and safety stay magnets, so you can drop in your camp gear and not be forced to use your head as a prop to keep the door open. You're also going to find 4 standard stabilizer jacks with optional power ones, although some Alpha Wolf models will be ordered with power ones as standard. You'll also find TV prep outside, so you can watch your favorite TV program or show outdoors. Another great feature is a leash latch for your dog lover in all of us, and your dog can stay shaded under the large power awning with LED lights. Now, while some Alpha Wolf models do have an outside kitchen, all are going to have an LP Quick Connect. In the back, some models will come with a rear ladder, but at minimum, you'll get on-the-go ladder prep. And I always do recommend getting a ladder if it doesn't come with one, as inspecting the roof is going to be a vital part of all RV maintenance. For extra storage, there's a 2-inch accessory hitch receiver so you can tow your bikes where allowed. You'll also find an outside shower, black tank flush, and the Alpha Wolf juice pack system, which includes a 100-watt solar panel. This works in conjunction with the 30-amp charger and, along with the battery disconnect, can aid in extending the life of your battery. You can also opt to expand the juice pack system by making it a 200-watt panel if you choose. Now, all this is great, right? But without a solidly built travel trailer, it's really all for naught. So let's talk Alpha Wolf construction top to bottom. Some of this is part of what Forest River calls the Weather Guard package, but it's just all simple good construction, right? The roof is a wood super truss roof structure with 3 8-inch decking, and it has a PVC roof membrane with heat reflectivity and a lifetime warranty. The walls are laminated fiberglass with block foam insulation. The windows have a panel vision design and are thermal control reflective safety glass. Speaking of windows, there's an oversized window in the front cap, and that cap is gel coated for protection from the weather. The flooring is 5/8-inch tongue and groove plywood decking, and underneath, the Alpha Wolf has an armored underbelly tank enclosure with forced air heat plus 12-volt heating pads on all of the tanks. That's pretty impressive. But what about towability? Well, along with a wide variety of floor plans in the Alpha Wolf line, you'll get a wide variety of lengths and weights as well. From 23 to 39 feet, and from a dry weight of 4,600 pounds up to 8,800. Due to such a large range, I'm going to divide the Alpha Wolf line in half to help you better gauge what kind of tow vehicle you'll need. So the models ranging from 4,600 up to 6,600 pounds dry can be towed by a variety of larger SUVs, such as a Dodge Durango, Audi SQ8, Mercedes-Benz GLE, or even mid-sized trucks like a Chevy Colorado or Ford Ranger. The larger, heavier Alpha Wolf models that are over 7,000 pounds up to nearly 9,000 will of course require a larger tow vehicle. There are some large SUVs actually which may be able to handle towing the lighter ones in this grouping, such as the Toyota Sequoia, provided that you have the proper trim level. But that being said, these are going to be best towed by a truck. A good full-size half-ton pickup, such as a Ford F-150 or F-150 Lightning, Chevy Silverado 1500 or Ram 1500, will be able to tow the larger Alpha Wolves, of course, depending upon the weight of your gear. Remember, right? No one goes camping empty. So check your owner's manual for your towing capacity, or if you want, you can simply head on in over to your local Camping World and they'll be able to figure it out for you. And while you're there, you can check out an Alpha Wolf in person and see if it's the right RV for you.